guys, we're doing the Not My Arms challenge.
And we were gonna make slime.
Slime with a ball. With a ball, because it's normal to make it with a ball. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get started.
Do this. Okay. So.
I'll do.
You need the bowl. You're gonna do me? Wait. I thought you. Did you get the spoon? This is not a spoon.
It's close enough.
Okay. I'm ready. Okay. Oh wait. Oh right. Okay. Okay. Go.
You're supposed to talk.
Okay, so first I'm going to get the borax. That's the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm going to pour some borax into the bowl.
I can't see what I'm doing.
I can't see. Okay, you didn't put that much borax. Okay,
Hang on.
it's all like one little ball.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think that's enough borax, don't you think? Is that enough borax? I don't know.
I don't know.
And then I'm going to get some water into the bowl. And then I'm going to get some water. Okay. And then a glue. I'm going to turn off the water and then I'm going to lay that down. And then I'm going to get the glue out of my way. Right there. Then, no, I'm not. I'm going to move the glue out of the way so the picture will look fine. I'm going to get the paint out of the way. Then I'm going to reach for the spoon. Okay, and then I'm going to mix the borax. Then I'm going to grab the paint. Oh my god. And then I'm going to open the paint. Then I'm going to pour a little bit in. Okay. Then I'm going to grab my spoon again. That's in the sink. Then I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to get the glue. Then I'm going to open it. Right open to my face. And then I'm going to pour some glue out. And then that's it. And then I'm just going to pick up that glue right there. And then you're going overload with it. Oh, yay. Glue. Oh, I'm sorry. Then I'm going to grab my spoon again. That's not the spoon. The spoon's all the way in the sink. And then I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to get the edges around the circle. My turn. Okay, my turn. I want to see it though. That's disgusting. No.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, now I'm gonna do you. Okay, go.
Okay, so we're just going to mix it up a little more with the spoon that's in the sink, and yeah, we're just gonna kind of get it, just kind of get it over the side there, because that's what normal people do, and
Oh, that's so good.
And so we're going to touch it to see if it's okay, and it is fine. So we're just going to put that glue up to my face, and then we're going to put it back in. Okay, guys, this is your DIY slime video thing. I have no idea. We're going to add more borax because it's not slimy enough. So we're just going to go over there and get some borax and just kind of, yeah, just kind of tilt it in there. Just kind of tilt it in there. Just tilt it in there, yeah, and we just tilt it in so that nothing comes out. And, okay. Okay, and we're going to grab it to see if it's slime. So we're just going to pick it up, and it's not what I was expecting, but yeah, and I'm totally going to eat it because it's normal, yeah. So thank you guys for watching our DIY slime video, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
You put a lot of borax in there.
I know. Thank you.